how to make fan lace. And what I would usually use fan lace for is if I was making a bracelet, because it's quite, you know, a delicate lace, I suppose. So I used it in this project. Now I did start making a video with the embroidery thread, but it was so difficult to see. I decided that I was going to show you how to make this pattern with just an ordinary wool and a 4mm hook. So you can use this for anything really you like, but once you know how to do it, it's a really nice one. So start off with a slip knot, and then you're going to do multiples of 5. So I'm going to do 35 here. 4 and 35. So I have chained 35. Again, this is just a demonstration, so if you're making something bigger, obviously you're going to do more. And then you have to do at the end of your chain 4 extra. 3 and 4. 4 extra chain. So you skip the first 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, you go into the 6th chain from the hook, and you do 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, this is all into the same stitch, 2nd double crochet, 2 chain, and a 3rd double crochet all into the 6th chain from the hook to start off with. Then you skip 4, skip 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th chain you do the same pattern. So you do 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, all into the same stitch. So again, you've got a little fan of, I don't know if you can see that, the light is bad tonight, 3 there, like that. And you're going to repeat that pattern right across. So skip 4 chain in between each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th one do a double crochet, 2 chain, a double crochet, 2 chain, and a double crochet. And you continue that right to the end, near the end. You should have 3 stitches left at the end, and when I come to that, I'll show you what to do, okay? So I've come to the last 3. You should have 3 stitches left at the end of the row. So you skip 2, and into the last one do a double crochet like that there, and that is what the very first row of your lace should look like. Okay, so on to row 2. So for the beginning of row 2, you need to chain 5. Now the chain 5 counts as a double and 2 chain, and you're going to skip all of this and into the middle double of the previous row, the middle double crochet. You're going to do 1 single, 2 chain, and 1 single, all into the top of the middle double crochet. Okay, and then what you do is you chain 4, and you do 1 single, 2 chain, and 1 single crochet, all into the top of the middle double crochet of the, what would you call that, your little lacy bit. And then you chain 4, and you repeat this pattern, chain 4, and into the middle double crochet at the top of it do 1 single crochet, 2 chain, and 1 single crochet, and you repeat this the whole way across, chaining 4 in between each. So chain 4, 2, 3, and 4, and then single crochet, 2 chain, and single crochet all into the top of the double crochet of the last round, and so on until you get to the end of the round. And when you get to the middle of this one here, I will come back and show you what to do. So I've come to the end of the last one, so I'm just doing my 2 chain and my last single crochet into the top of the middle double crochet stitch of the previous round. Chain 4, and just do a double into this chain 3 here. Do a double crochet into the top of the chain 3 at the end of the previous round. Okay, so it should look like that there, and then turn for row 3. So for row 3, chain 3, and that counts as 1 double, and then into the chain 2 stitch between the 2 single crochets of the previous round, you're going to do a double, 2 chain, another double, 2 chain, and another double, all into the chain 2 space between the 2 single crochets of the previous round. And you are going to continue that pattern right the way across. So going straight into the chain 2 space between the 2 singles of the next part, you do your double, 2 chain, double, 2 chain, whoops, and double, all into the chain 2 space between the 2 singles of the previous round. And you continue this right across, and when we come to here, I will come back and show you what to do. So I've come to I've the last 3 double crochets done in the chain 2 space, and all you do then is into the top of the very end of your row is you do a double crochet, and that's it. So if you look at that lace, which I'm going to try and hold up to the light that way, it's exactly the same as that, only thicker. And you just continue doing row 2 and 3 over and over again. And so I'll do a few more rows and I'll show you what it looks like in a little block. And that's how you make it. So this is the finished square. It looks something like this, and I'll hold it up to the light. So, once you get started, it's actually really easy to do quickly. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.